Okay, spring is here and every landscaper I know is thinking the same thing. How do I fill my schedule before the competition does? Here is the reality. Your best clients, the recurring ones, the ones who pay well and don't argue about price, they are making decisions right now. And whoever reaches them first gets them for the whole season. That's what Facebook ads do. 10 to 25 bucks per lead. You show up in their feed with a beautiful yard photo while your competition is still putting up yard signs. So let me show you how. Why Facebook and not just referrals or door knocking? 2 words: before and after. Landscaping is one of the most visual businesses on the planet. Dead law versus lush green grass, empty backyard versus a full patio. I'm not sure if I said it correctly. Patio with lighting and plants. So these photos stop people mid-scroll. Nobody can resist looking at a yard transformation. And here is the thing about landscaping clients. They are seasonal but recurring. Spring cleanup turns into weekly mowing. One patio job leads to lighting. One yard design turns into maintenance. And a single client can be worth $2,000 to $5,000 per season, some even more. Meanwhile, a lead costs you 10 to 25 bucks. So close one out of every 5 or 6 leads and you are printing money. So okay, now the offers. And this is where timing matters. Early spring, free yard consultation plus 20% off spring cleanup. Book this week. So this is your bread and butter. Every homeowner needs clean up after winter. The discount gets them to try you. So the quality keeps them all season. Okay, peak season. So free yard design, mock-up, see your dreams backyard before we start. This targets the big projects. Pages, retaining walls, full redesigns. The word dream sells the vision. The word free removes the risk. Okay, fall. Next one is fall. So fall cleanup plus winterization. $199 for any yard up to half an acre. So here we have specific price for a specific service, and end of season clients often sign up for next spring if you are good. And the key with landscaping is timing. Run spring ads starting in February. Don't wait until April. By then your competitors already booked the good clients. Okay, all right. Right now, let's talk about the ads. Landscaping has the best content for ads. Hands down, the yard transformation. Before, dead grass, weeds, no design, and after, green lawn, fresh mulch, beautiful plants, side by side or video slideshow is very good for this. So this is your number one ad. Film every single job from the same angle before you start and after you finish. So 3 to 5 transformations in one 30-second video. The best if you will add also music and offer at the end. People can't stop watching this. Okay, the next one, wait. Yeah, this thing. The next one, the drone flyover. So if you have a drone or even a phone with good zoom, film a finished yard from above. So the full picture, patio, lawn, plants, lightning at dusk, and add text. For example, your yard could look like this. Free consultation below. This shows the scope of your work in a way ground level photos can't. And the next one, you walking through a finished project. So walk through a yard you just finished. Point at things, new, for example, new pair patio here, and we added these accent plants. Lightning around the edge for the evenings. So talk like you are showing a friend. And 20 seconds phone camera, and this is real and personal, so very good. So run all three and kill the weakest every couple weeks. Always be filming new projects. Now let's move to campaign setup. So setup is very quick and simple. Campaign objective, leads. Sorry, I need to move. Okay, perfect. So campaign objective leads, budget $15 to $35 a day. A landscaping job is $500 to $5,000 plus dollars. So one close client from a week of ads pays for a month of budget. Targeting 10 to 20 miles. Keep it tight. You don't want to drive 45 minutes for a mowing job. And age, usually the best 30 to 65. And also homeowners, but you don't need to use interest, so broad targeting. One ad set, so all your creatives inside. And the next one, lead form. So from lead form we need name, full name, phone number, address, and important. Address is very important for landscaping because you need to see the property. Qualify question. What do you need, for example, with options spring cleanup, lawn care, patio, hardscape, full yard design, and other. And of course, thank you screen. So for example, we will call you within 24 hours to schedule a free walkthrough. Landscaping isn't emergency work, so 24 hours is fine, but don't make it 3 days. So speed still matters. And follow up for landscaping is a little bit different. This is a little bit different. Here is why. Call within a few hours, not 5 minutes like plumbing or pest control, because landscaping decisions aren't emergencies. But but don't wait 3 days either. Same day is the goal. So call, ask about the yard, schedule a free walkthrough. At the walkthrough, do 2 things. First, give them a real quote on the spot. Not I will send you something next week, but right there. People respect these events, and the landscaper who quotes on the spot closes more than the one who emails 5 days later. And second, and this is the real play, offer a seasonal package. For example, I can do this patio project for $3,500, but if you also want weekly mowing for the season, I will bundle it at $4,800 instead of $5,200 separately. So now you have a one-time client and a recurring client from the same lead. So one-time project, 3,500 and done. Seasonal bundle, 4,800. Now plus they rebook next spring. So landscaping clients are the stickiest clients in home services. Once they trust you, they don't switch. So lock them in the first season and they are yours for years. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. So yeah, this is this thing. Let's do a quick recap. So number 1, seasonal offers, spring cleanup, yard design, fall winterization, and start ads in February. Number 2, 3 ads, yard transformation, drone flyover, and walk through. Number 3, simple campaign, leads 15 to 35 per day, tight radius, and broad targeting. Number 4, call same day, quote on the spot, and don't email later. And number 5, and the last one, bundle seasonal packages. One time plus recurring equals client for years. Okay, so let me know what's your biggest project this season and drop it in the comments. And yeah, subscribe for more paid ads tips for this industry and also for many other industries. So I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency and see you in the next one.